Welcome to our video. Are you looking for the perfect drilling machine to tackle your home projects with ease? In today's guide, we'll explore why choosing the best drilling machine for home use can make all the difference. Let's dive in. Enhanced efficiency and precision. A high-quality drill ensures tasks are completed quickly and with minimal effort. Precise drilling reduces the chances of errors, whether you're working on delicate materials or tougher surfaces. Cost-effectiveness in the long run. Opting for a reliable machine means fewer repairs and replacements over time. High-performance drills are built to last, making them a better investment compared to cheaper, less durable options. Improved safety and convenience. Modern drilling machines often come with advanced safety features, such as insulated grips and safety locks, minimizing risks during use. Lightweight and ergonomic designs also reduce strain, ensuring a better user experience. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on the best drilling machine for home use, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.